Sector 1, Sector 2, Sector 3, Sector 4. The towers, the vaults, the screens, and the schools, all sinking into the abyss. But the captains of industry are not going down with the ship. They never do. As they liquidate their holdings in the dying economy, they're quietly funneling trillions into what insiders call the Breakaway Civilization. While the masses fight over the scraps of a collapsing digital illusion, the elite are hoarding the finite. Water rights in the deepest aquifers. Unarable land, purchased through anonymous shell companies stretching for thousands of miles. Physical commodities that cannot be printed, cannot be hacked, and cannot be frozen by an algorithm. But here, the archive has uncovered a deep fracture among the global elite. Two conflicting blueprints for survival. Theory 1 is the physical fortress. A faction of the ultra-rich believes the collapse will be violent. A total breakdown of the grid and the rule of law. They believe the only way to survive the zeroing of the 4 sectors is behind concrete, lead, and private security. But Theory 2 is the Digital Ascension. The Silicon Valley faction believes physical barriers are obsolete. They're not hiding in bunkers. They're hiding inside the machine, hoarding all the computational power on Earth. They believe that whoever controls the AI networks when the legacy systems die will literally become gods. Are they building a physical cage for us or a digital one? If you are preparing to break free from their matrix, type the word escape in the comments. Let your intention be known. The middle class is currently trapped in the maze. You are told to keep investing in commercial real estate funds. You are told your regional bank is insured. You are told to trust the media's fact-checkers. You are told to take on debt for your child's useless degree. They need you to remain asleep, feeding the beast while they drain its blood. This channel exists to shatter that programming. If this frequency resonates with you, you must subscribe. Hit the bell icon. They scrub videos like this every day. Your subscription is your anchor to the archive. Do not let them sever the connection, because the final phase of their plan relies entirely on your compliance. When the 4 sectors hit zero, chaos will reign. And out of that chaos, they will offer a miracle. Total debt forgiveness, universal basic income, safety, security. All they will ask in return is everything. Your financial sovereignty, your right to privacy, your ability to exist outside their digital ledger. The trap will look like salvation. So, what is the one asset they pray you never discover? It isn't just physical gold. It isn't just decentralized code. It is sovereignty. The absolute refusal to participate in the new system. Local, physical communities. Unmonitored barter networks. Skills that do not require an internet connection. They fear a population that can survive when the screen turns off. They are terrified of those who realize the collapse isn't the end of the world. It is the end of their control. Sector 1, Sector 2, Sector 3, Sector 4. Let them burn. Do not catch a falling knife. Remove your energy, your capital, and your attention from the legacy systems. The Breakaway Civilization is not just for the billionaires. You can build your own. But before you do, we must ask the final, ultimate question. If this collapse is entirely orchestrated, Jefferson Steady, the string. Architects. Are the billionaires and politicians the masters of this transition, or are they just middle management, answering to an entity or an intelligence that we cannot even comprehend? Is it human greed, or an artificial superintelligence that has already taken control, starving the human systems to feed itself? Who is the true architect of the collapse? The archive leaves this to you. Comment your most dangerous theory below. Do not hold back. The algorithm is watching, but so are we. Subscribe to the archive. Trust no one. Question everything. And whatever you do, do not go back to sleep.